Hi, this is Osamu Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. As I said in the previous video, I have been working on my own company website because my company website is 7 years old and it's time to update. And I had some speed issues. So anyway, I've been working on my portfolio pages, and I've been working on a template here. So this is the template. So I got the title here and some descriptions, and then there was some image here. So I'm gonna put some featured image and some detail here, and then got a lot of screenshot I can just put onto. So it's kind of simple. And back to portfolio page, I've been using Elementor. So this is Elementor here, as you can see. And then now, so I got the title here. You see the title widget, and I'm gonna make it more dynamic so that I don't have to repeat. So Elementor, you might know this. There is some dynamic tag. So if you click that, so I can pick a post, because I've been using post here. So I just pick a post title. And of course, nothing comes up. Oh, actually, it comes up. So the same title. I'll show you how this works. And here, I have on the right-hand side of the column. So if you go to Style, and it's image here. And then here too, I can make it dynamic. So make it to here, post featured image. So it should probably disappear. Yes, it's disappeared, so nothing in it. So on the bottom here though, so I'm gonna just use manually some, if I wanted to add more detail about the project, so I can just put that and just dropping a screenshot like this. So, but the title, the right here, the featured image, I can be, it can be more dynamic. So I'm gonna just hit update. And go back to this edit page. So this is the edit page. Here is a title. So if I change title, so see what happens. So maybe here I can say changed. All right. And then let's put this featured image here. And then the project is right here. I can just pick this and then set featured. And right here. So I'm going to hit update. 2. And here is Elementor. So if I can just refresh this. So now it says changed. And then now you see featured image. So this is gonna speed up my process. I'll show you. So this is done. So I'm gonna just close these 2 tabs. No, actually I cannot. I should probably change. Yes, I gotta change this. And then update, and I can close that. All right, should be good. And once I set up the template like this, it's gonna be easy. So let's see. So I think this is the one I just created. So I'm gonna just clone this. I have a plugin to duplicate the content, so let's clone that. And it's here. It says draft. So I'm going to hit edit. All right, so I'm going to change the title like that, and change the featured image. Just click. And I'm going to change to this image and set featured image and change that. I'm going to just hit publish and go to Elementor. So now you see the title is just generated automatically, and then the featured image is displayed here. And I'm going to just change that description here. So the client name is going to be definitely changed. So I'm going to change that to a different client's name, and then just copy their website address. And make sure I'm going to just link that, insert link, and change that description. All right, that's good. So I don't much have a detail description here, so I'm going to just delete that section, and I'm gonna just replace that image to their image, which is okay. So I'm going to use those images. I'm going to use that first. Okay, so I'm going to just okay, so I'm going to use that image, just their landing page, and I have another one, I think. Oh, sorry, I used just and I'm going to use this, and then and I'm going to use this image too. All right, next I gotta change the size here. They are not really consistent, so just go back here. All right, so let's see what's happening. So I think I'm gonna change that to medium large, and then I'm gonna same thing, change image. Okay, so I think I have to change that manually. Okay, so that's also, and remove that, and hit update. So once you set up the template and you just change the content, my case is just images and a little bit of detail if I wanted to. So yeah, so just a quick tip I just wanted to show you too. So hope this helps, and see you next time.